Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing some more Pixelmon. Look what I got, ladies and gentlemen. Look what I got. I got the Volby. What should we get rid of? Yeah, I guess we need to get rid of Cubone. Sorry mate, but yeah. Actually, just wait, Cubone. You come out just for a second, and Cubone, you have that, mate. Cubone. Particle comes here. I'm sorry, the lag a little bit. Yeah, so yeah. I think so, so if we, how do you get out? No, it's having this thing again, is it? No, damn it. Oh, there we go. So what we're gonna do, this fella here, we need you to get into a Volby. Like this guy. And oh my goodness, what the heck is that? That thing's huge. What level are you? 25 only? Jeez, dang. Okay. So what I have here on the Mesa biome on my other laptop, apparently like actually good Pokemon spawn, so Bagons actually spawn in the night. Level 42. I actually got a really high level one. And a big one. Wait, was that level no. Boulder, what level? 40. Okay, that's good. Alright. Oh god. Alright, Volby, he doesn't have good attacks. Flatter, is that attack? Became confused. He's confused and it hurt himself with confusion. The fog? Invasion was hurt himself again. Fury attack is one. Wasn't very effective. Attacked 4 times. Oh, dang it. Let's get Barbarical out. My pretty big one, actually. HM Power. Oh, that just one-shot him, okay. Alright, a Ruby. Slash Pokey. Heal. So, level 42, come here. Alright, Volby's not getting a lot of... My goodness. This Volby has no attacks though. Like, this is so bad. Now let's just go into Jirachi and just one-shot this thing. Hopefully. Psychic. It doesn't affect him? Oh no. Double edge. Okay, that just one-shot him, thank gosh for that. Ivy's still level 19 now. Oh, I don't want you, mate. Go away. Can you guys see anything? Because I can a little bit. Actually, let me turn my brightness up. My actual laptop. Is that the reason why it's not working? Clear notifications. I don't know what it is. Whatever. Houndour level 23, that's actually pretty decent. What level are you? 42, not good enough. Dang it! Oh, I thought that was a Tyranitar! But there's a Larvitar over there, but what level is this guy? 12, yeah, that's the point though. Any high level Bagons yet? Like, I haven't seen a Bagon yet. Like, their actual final form can come Oh, Shaka wants to battle Ivysaur. No. Volby. Don't one-shot me. Okay, just defense was higher. Volby, and then Encore, Psychic. That did nothing. No. Psychic again. Should kill him yet. Gyarados level 22. Ooh. Wow. It's actually pretty decent. Don't want to like fall into these like different things. If there's a legendary, wait, what kind of legendaries could spawn here? Mesa biome legendary. Legendary Pokemon wiki. Mesa. Okay, heat trains can come in mesas. Landerers. There's a lot of extreme hills biome. Marsh Shadow, and that's pretty much it. So this is kind of a useless 42. Oh my gosh. Houndour, oh, he actually counters me. Volby. I need attacks for this guy, like, actually. Fury attack. Oh, I just killed him. Wow. Alright, Ivysaur, Razor Leaf. 55. Don't want to get rid of all of those, so I'm just gonna get rid of. Ooh, Blaze Powder. Take me that. It's actually pretty good, Blaze Powder, so we can actually go to the Nether. No good things over here. I haven't found a Bagon yet. So annoying. What is this? Level 42. Not good enough, mate. Got loads of Ultra Balls though. And I want to keep my starter Pokemon. The next Pokemon, if I find a better one, I'm actually going to kind of get rid of Gyarados. Because I actually... Venusaurs, they're so cheese though. So I don't really want to get rid of Venusaur. What is that? Oh, it's just a bit more basic biome. Okay. Okay, there's a bit of Pokemon here. It's a Graveler. What level are you? Because I think Golems evolve in level 40s. Ouch. If you're level 40, I'll actually kind of catch you. Or level 36. Actually, whatever. Okay, come on. Come on. Alright. Fury. Oh. Please don't say it doesn't affect him. Thank gosh. But it wasn't very effective. Is that it? Oh, it doesn't affect me. Thank God for that. Jirachi. Yay! He just killed himself. Ooh. I swear to God, if that is something really good, that's to me. Level 18. Come here, boy. Camera level 17. That's not even a thing, really. Oh. Just one straight away. Oh! Drapions! Now these things are insanely good. And this one's huge. What level are you? 55 Drapion. Oh, wow. Who do you not like? I think Barbarical you don't like. Do you have any water attacks, please? You don't have any water attacks. Damn it. Ooh. Ancient power. Oh! Okay. I don't want to catch this thing though. That's the thing. Oh, that did good damage. Fury Sight. Avoid the attack! No. Let's go Volby and see if we can actually get him out of business, boy. Just Fury attack him. Damn it. Oh, it wasn't very effective. Oh my gosh. How is he not leveled up though? Like, this is ridiculous. We can't even do anything. Like, hang on, I'll just keep, like, powering up my dude. Like, it's ridiculous. Ooh. He's evolving. He's evolving. Come on. Give me the Pokemon that I'm looking for. Is it Mandibuzz? Is it gonna be Mandibuzz? Yes! Boys, we got ourselves a flying Pokemon. Bone Rush. Boys, we got ourselves a flying Pokemon. That's actually sick. So now we can just fly around. Oh, that's sick. That's so useful as well. Oh, yeah. My chunks are not loading in correctly. Oh, that's a huge number. Oh, that's actually a huge number. What level are you? I regret saying that you are a huge number. You are only a level 30. Well, 12. I need like I would like a huge one like that, but bigger. Oh, yeah, that's pretty good. Level 33 cam number. This one might be bigger. Huge one as well. Wait, let me find something that's pretty good. Oi, I found a koala. This is probably the end of Gyarados, but, level 20, go on. Yes! Gyarados, I think this is the level, but, let's go bite. Did nothing. Pokemon. Ah! Don't one-shot me, Yes, okay. Let's do poison powder. Yes, he's poisoned. Alright. And then leech seed. Dang it. Yes, he planted the seed. Look at this. He keeps losing health. Razor thing. Razor leaf. Look how much damage. Boys! A Koalava is ours. Boys. This is gonna evolve into a Typhlosion straight away again. Yes. Oh, wait, did I not pick up my... Oh, I didn't pick up my PC. Let me find something that's good again. I think. Yeah, I don't think I can find anything good now. Like, it's just regular Pokemon here. That's not very good for me. That is an Extreme Hills biome, so we can find some Snorlaxes up there or something. But I think I'll have to end the video here. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Yeah. Subscribe for more, like, and yeah. See ya, boy.